Hey there guys, what's happening? And welcome back to the channel. I'm here on Beach Road in Patong. I'm going to give you guys a walking tour of Phuket and Patong in low season. Alright guys, so here we are on Patong Beach. It's the middle of October. It's October the 10th today, which is in low season, and a lot of you guys have been asking me what is low season like here in Phuket. Now as you can see, it's still pretty busy, right? Now last month, September, was very different. It was much quieter than this, but I'll zoom in. You can see over there there's a lot of people on the beach, right? So in today's video we're doing two things really. I'm testing out my new Osmo Creator Combo, which I just bought. I've recorded a couple of videos in the house, but this is the first sort of walking tour that I've done on the channel in a while. I figured you guys might like to see Phuket as well as seeing properties. So here we are on Patong Beach. They've got the no swim warning up there, look. But people are swimming. So it certainly seems to have picked up this month. Like I say, last month was pretty dead from a tourist perspective. But down the south side of the beach down there looks pretty busy. Just give you some context, that's the north end of Patong. If you drive around the bay there, that'll take you to Kamalar. And it's a pretty nice sunset this evening. We had some rain early on today. Last month the weather was pretty bad. If you follow news in Phuket, you'll have probably seen there's been flooding in various areas around Phuket and in the north of Thailand, in Chiang Mai as well. Anyway, let's see what high season's gonna be like. A lot of anticipation for high season this year, certainly in the real estate community and in the hotelier community. A lot of people that I speak to are anticipating a busy one. Okay, here we go, look. Hopefully we can get somebody landing or taking off on one of the parachutes. The reggae parachute boys. Oh no, I think she just landed, didn't she? Anyway, maybe we'll catch one later up the beach.
Oi, Dad! Hello! Move!
Oh, she is going up. Here we go, look. Oh, she's just getting a photo. Oh, no she's not. Up she goes. Nice. It's a good shot. Yes. What's your name, mate? Your name's?
Chen.
Chen?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, mate. Where you come from?
Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah.
Pen Kun Thai.
Yeah.
The reason I ask, a lot of these guys working on the beach are from Myanmar. I thought he looked like he could be from Myanmar, but no, he's a Thai guy. Getting a bit busier now. Bunch of people sitting on the beach, getting the beauty shots. Let's head up to the pavement and see what we can see up there, eh? Oh, we've got a motorbike coming behind us. Some barbecued chicken and fish. Beautiful sky tonight. this evening, I should say. I mean, Patong gets a bad rap, you know. A lot of people think it's the sleazy area of Phuket, which is kind of true. It is, but I also think that the place has got a lot of charm, you know. I mean, look at that. It's beautiful. And there's people here from all around the world. Big Indian and Nepali community down here. Big Muslim community as well. Down the north end of the beach. You get a lot of Thai people sitting around on the sort of the woven mats, eating som tam and gai yang. And then this area around here opens up, and quite often they have markets around this area. So what we'll do, we'll keep on walking down, and we'll have a stroll down Bangla Road, because I know a lot of you guys like to see that as well. I haven't done one of these walkabout videos in absolutely ages. Kind of feels a little bit unnatural, but I think they usually perform pretty well. Let me know if you like this format of video, and if so, I can go to some other locations for you guys, show you around. So what time are we on now? Let's take a look on the old phone. So now it's 6:30 on the 10th of October. Let's see what Bangla is like tonight. I don't anticipate it being super busy this evening. I haven't been there in time. There's the, let's cross over and show you guys this. The surf house. Nice parking from this dude. Oh, he's an immigration officer. Can't really argue with that, can you? So over here you got the surf house, or the flow rider. Nice blast of cold aircon from that shop right there. We've got another herbal greenery shop over here. And another one. A lot of the massage shops down here have closed down and rebranded as herbal greenery shops. Hello. That one's obviously still active though. Little street market down there. No thank you, not today, mate. Hello, mate. Hello. All picture me on the restaurants. All sorts of cuisine. This one's good, this actually, that Indian. Been in there a couple of times. Almost there now. Savoy Seafood is also a pretty famous one. Got all the fresh fish there. Catch of the day. Big traditional Thai restaurant with all the wooden fixtures and fittings. Beautiful place. Got your tuk-tuk boys lined up, ready for business. It certainly seems busier than last month. I mean, I don't often get into Patong after dark, I must be honest, but it feels pretty busy. Alright, here we are at Bangla Road. Let's have a walk down there. One more glance across at the sunset. You can see everyone crossing over from the beach. And then the beach just there, look. And then spin round to Bangla Road. And the first thing you see, yet another herbal green shop. And another one. So we actually manage an apartment on this street, believe it or not. There's a condo project, or a condo complex called Absolute Bangla Suites. We've actually got a room in there. It performs very well. One of our highest occupancy properties. But yeah, seems to be mainly male guests, which is strange. Can't think why. Anyway, I wouldn't want to be on the cleaning team in there, put it that way. Nonetheless, the owner gets a nice paycheck every month. So you can see, it's not so busy, but it's starting to heat up down here now. This video probably won't be able to be monetized because they're going to hear the music in the background, but hey, that's life, innit? As long as you guys are enjoying it. This is a big bar here, Bar Funk. And then you've got all these smaller ones on my right hand side here. So there you have it, guys. Bangla Road. Well, we've been rolling for how long? 16 minutes now. I'm going to spin the camera around, give you guys some context, and then call it a day there. And here we are, look.